Hey guys, it's Ann. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well. So I got these really cute vases from HomeSense on a recent trip that I took there, and they were I'm holding it around. They were $19.99, sorry guys, and they are by the brand, they are by Habitat Decor. I did get two of them. They're really pretty. They're not in the color of my choice, obviously, but that's okay because I can always spray paint them. And I can always paint them using some acrylic paint from the dollar store. I can use like regular paint that you put on the wall and paint them. I can add texture to them because they're really smooth by using like some molding paste and, you know, using like a nice technique with a brush stroke or some type of object to add texture. Allow it to dry for a little while and then spray paint it in either black or either white, because you know those are the colors that I normally decorate with. I can also spray paint it silver because that is also the metals that I use in my home. I'm not much of a big gold girl. I'm more of a silver person, and I love mixing my, you know, my black and white with silver. I also got this cute one from H&HOME. I didn't know H&M had home decor items until I was watching Unique by Sharita, and she shared some really nice pieces she got from there. So I went on their website and I found these. These are sort of like, this one is not a smooth texture. It's sort of like, it's smooth, but it still has a bit of roughness to it. And it's, they're both ceramic pieces. So yeah, but I really like this one, and you can use it the way it is and style them in a set of 3. These would look really nice styled together. I wish I could have found a bigger one that would look really nice, and then I would be able to just style them together. This being the small one, a bigger one, and then that one. But like I said, you can use it as a vase or you can style them as is. But what I'm actually going to do with these two, like how it's spring, I can totally use these and decorate with green, but that's not my color. So I'll be using some dollar store acrylic paint because that's what I have on hand. I have spray paint, but it's not enough to spray paint both of them. So I have a couple of these. These are the DECOR Crafters acrylic paint that you can get from the dollar store, Amazon, Walmart, wherever. I got these ones from Dollarama. They are like $1.25 or $1.50. So I am actually going to use some of this, and I am going to paint these black. So I'll do a little DIY and share with you guys, and then I'll show you how I'll, you know, maybe a little coffee table styling with them. I'm just going to use this foam cup, and I'm going to place a little bit of my black acrylic paint into there. You can use a foam brush from the dollar store or wherever. Michael's craft section has them as well. But I'm going to use a brush and see if the brush will give me a different sort of paint finish. And I got this from Dollarama as well. This is the most inexpensive way that you can, you know, change up a piece that you purchased that perhaps didn't go with the color of your choice. Instead of spending, you know, $10 or whatever on a can of spray paint, you can pick you up some brushes from the dollar store. These are like $1.25, and 2 or 3 of those for $5. Because spray paint here in Canada, they're like $11 a can with tax. So I can buy a home decor piece, which I'll obviously need because I need some new home decor pieces anyways. And I'll just save on using some acrylic paint and a dollar store brush. And so this is how it's looking so far.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine.
So in the meantime, while this one is drying on that side, I still have to turn it over on the opposite side and paint it. I'm going to move on to painting this one on this side.
I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times.
So guys, this is one way I've chosen to style the vases. I've added the one from H&M, the ones that I got from Winners, and I painted black. This cute little hand that I got from Amazon. It is actually for placing rings, but I'm using it as a coffee table accessory to style and decorate. A dollar store vase that I also painted black, some peonies that I got from Amazon. And this is a coffee table book that I shared with you guys in a recent haul. I've just opened it to a decorative page, and I've just placed my beaded chain that I got from Amazon in the middle. And this is very modern, very simple coffee table styling. I can even remove this and just leave it in a set of 3s with the book and the chain in the middle. I like this look as well. This is a second styling where I've placed this beautiful piece laying down. I got that from Winners. I've placed the coffee table books to the bottom shelves of the table, and I've added some greenery with florals, with flowers. The peonies is the same peonies I used in the little dollar store vase from Amazon. This is really simple, you know, very sort of modern, casual. I love this. There's not much going on the coffee table, you know, it's very airy, very light. This is a third look where I have all 3 of the vases. They're giving me Restoration Hardware sort of dupe. I've kept the lady and the coffee table books, but you can simply remove her from there as well and just add coffee table books and just keep it really casual, really simple with just the 3 vases and some books. Or I can also just add the beaded chain as well, and that looks really pretty. I like this. Well, this is all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed my DIY and these coffee table styling ideas, comment down below. Don't forget to like, share this video with a friend or family. Leave me some comments. Hit your post notification bell for more videos. and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.